So, final 6. The final 6 packs of this box. And so far, it has been an amazing box opening for me. As much as I love alt arts and things like that, I really, so far cannot complain with what we've got out of it. So another V-Star card. But let's hope these last 6 have something good to go with. So we've got Executor, we've got Weevil, we've got the Kindler, the Cherubi, Riolu, Starly, Spiritomb, Purloin, a reverse Pachirisu, and we've got something else. This box is amazing. In 3, 2, 1. Shaymin V-Star. Oh, that is a lovely. That is a really, really nice card. I'm not sure what the V-Star rules are, but there is some really nice cards coming in this one. Tap it. So it evolves from a Shaymin V. Unless it's just like V Max, but just an opposite one. It's got a V-Star power. I really just need to have a read of it and see what it is on that. But Shaymin V-Star on pack 1 of 6. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Hopefully this continues. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got Metal Energy. We've got Team Yell's Chia. We've got Chintino. We've got the Cleansing Gloves. We've got Millisray. Shinx. Impidimp. We've got Golett. We've got Cast Form. We've got a Reverse Staravia. And a Wormadon. Arrange all the ones that I put to the side in case so that they don't fall over. Next one. So we got Water. We got the good old Banana Chin. We got Morgrim. We got Claydol. Raw. Magma. Staryu. Burmy. Sork. A reverse Dusclops. And we've got something under there. We've got another one. So let's see what he's hiding. In 3, 2, 1. A Gramble V. Gramble V. So pop that in and then just take another look at it. So Gramble V, just the standard V1, not a full art or alt art. That's very nice artwork on that one as well. So pack 4. So out of these next 3 packs, no, pack 3. No, pack 4. Out of these next 3, we need at least one to continue that 1 in 3 hit rate. Hopefully, one of these 1 in 3 is an amazing, amazing card that we can kind of finish on. Collapse Stadium, we've got Mycillary, Cubchoo, Dedenne, Farfetch'd, Grimer. There's something here on the next to last one. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, that is an amazing card. A Sylveon VMAX. Oh, that is really, really nice. Has that got anything? A Breloom. That is an amazing pull. That is really nice. Let's just pop this in and give it the old tap. Sylveon VMAX character. That is really nice looking. Very, very nice indeed. And pack 5. Oh. It's got a Fighting Energy. Got Probopass. Prinplup. Cinccino. Throh. Shroomish. Piplup, Turtwig, Sneasel, a Reverse Dedenne, and another hit. Another hit. The hits don't stop coming. In 3, 2, 1. A Zamazenta V. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Zamazenta V. So this pack of 6 has done really nice compared to the others. Very nice. Zamazenta V. Pop that one there. And then last pack of this box. So last pack of this stream. Saved the last one as a Charizard as well. Hopefully, the last thing that I think could be done is finish it off on an altar. If I can finish it off on an altar, it would be amazing. But I think with everything that I've got in this box, it has been an amazing box. So last pack, we've got Fire, we've got Starmie, Cynthia's Ambition, Cherin's Cur, Chimecho, Chimchar, Baltoy, Snorunt, Nosepass, a Reverse Magma Basin, and an Ice Cube. Finishing it on a dud. But I think after everything that I've got in these today, I can't be complaining too much. So we'll just go over what we got in these 6. We've got Gramble V, we've got Zamazenta V, then we've got Shaman V-Star, and then we've got a Sylveon VMAX character, which is a really nice one. Then what I'll do is we'll just go over what we got all together in this pack, like in this box. So last ones, let me just put that there. So we've got 2 Dusknoir Hollows. We've got Empoleon. We've got Lucario, Torterra, Bibarel Hollows. Then I'll go through the V's that we got. So just in reverse than what we've pulled them from, or from what I've put them away on. So we've got Zamazenta V, got Gramble V, got Zarude V, Flygon V, and Aggron V. Some really nice ones there. Then we'll go. We got a Kingler VMAX as well. So just one VMAX card out of this box, but I think with everything else, it's been. I'm okay with that in a way, just because of everything else that we've got. So a Kingler V. Then we've got some nice full. So we've got a Rainbow Roseanne's backup. And then we got a Gloria Fuller Trainer, one of the first cards that we actually got out of the box as well. And then we got Galarian Articuno V as a gold card. Really nice, really. So, and then we've got quite a few. We've got Shaman V-Star as well, so the new V-Star cards. We've got that one in there. And then we've got quite a few of the character cards. So we've got Sylveon VMAX as a character. We've got a really nice Jolteon. Then we've got Zekrom. It's a really nice Zekrom design. Oranguru. And then finally, Octillery. But that is all the cards for today. just thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.